Morning, everybody. Great to see you all here. We have people from Japan, but we have people from all over the world joining us today. This is the third year we've had the workshop, and we've learned from it every year. And one of the things that we wanted to do was zero in on some key themes that we wanted the teams to work on to contribute to a sustainable society. If some ideas come out of this, there will be follow-up. That's the goal here.
It's a very exciting workshop. People who have similar kind of projects are seated together. That allows for a lot better coordination. We're talking about what we want the vision to be like. And the good part is that you have so many heads together with a diverse opinion, with a different view that is coming together to solve it. What else can we think about from an impact standpoint? Renewable energy generation. You have somebody who has done a farming project, and I'm talking about a forest project which has direct relation with agriculture as well. So there's a beautiful marriage of these projects that could really come together, which is what makes these 100 minutes a lot more productive.
The idea is to be able to address the climate challenge better, also with the natural event prediction and monitoring for citizens. So of course, you have to use a lot of data, and this is one of the topics we discussed.
The first action, I think, is the interview or analyzing the behavior.
You really feel part of a global company with many people with different ideas, different backgrounds, and so you also feel more proactive to propose new solutions, to share your ideas, and to learn also from others' experiences.
The workshop is going great because we are creating a broad view on how to really helping people. So we're taking well-being, diversity, inclusion, and equity. The pursuit of happiness in terms of life, health, and social. That can be our definition of well-being. So it's great to have a voice here in order to get new ideas, new products, how to make the world more sustainable in that direction. This is a statement of NTT saying to all the employees to transmit the message of we are a sustainable company. And those ideas doesn't end at this workshop. We know that it's going to end into a project and it's going to impact in the life of the persons.
The future state that we want to create is an area where we use our natural resources in a better way.
Thank you for the presentation. I believe this is the combination of a great set of the tools.
Thank you for your comments. Sustainability is a passion. Anybody who's in sustainability is doing it because they want to be there. And those connections then become a shared goal, and that's the beauty about it.